So, you're out of nitrous on us. That's 30 in the front there. Dave Sparks second. Absolutely up.
Do it for Dale over here on 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it for Dale! Woo! Shoo, buddy.
Let's go. Let's hear it for Cletus. I wouldn't be surprised if Cletus keeps it in. That's a lot of vehicle on 2 wheels. Oh, wow. When he comes by the front stretch, he's going to need a little bit of cheering up. Come on, give it up for him. Let's go.
Are all right-hand drive Camaros like that, or just that one? Just that one. And we got our man Cody whistling diesel in his racing boots. There's Christian Dior. All right, boys and girls, just in front of him,
Kevin!
Number 77. We got Doug Dre. 1, 2, 3. Damn! That's a good one. I like that one. That, you know. There you guys go.
Everybody be real quiet. Get your phones out. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity to hear this. Buenos dias!
From all around the world, and best and most importantly of all, for you guys here at the Freedom Factory.
Get us in the car on the live feed. That man.
Yeah.